Bear, you want to read Miss Spider's Tea Party?
Hey, leave Maddie alone. Hey, are you drying her off?
Oh, I was going to say she got wet.
It's cold?
You giving her a blankie? Yeah. Give it a banky.
Thank you.
You want to read Miss Spider's Tea Party? Yeah. All right. Check it out. Miss Spider's Tea Party by David Kirk. You want to read it? No. Give you a blankie.
She's cold. Her cold. Maddie, be nice. I should text Lori to Skype.
Lie down and sleep.
I don't think she's tired. She already took a nap when you were napping.
She napped with you, but on the couch.
Aw, night nights.
Lay down, puppy, over here.
She's tired. Oh. Wow.
Did she kiss you?